Welcome back to For the Love of Sicily. In our last video, I showed you the design choices that needed to be made on our second house, Casa Madonna, which will become our vacation rental home. Today I will walk you through the before, during, and after construction photos and show you how this once empty shell has become a warm and inviting home. Come down here, Via Gria. Let's start at the exterior of the front of the house. Structurally, the facade was fine, but we wanted to repoint the exposed stone and really make it pop. Once again, our team did an amazing job with the stonework. The front door was a gold metal mess from the 1990s. Its design appeal had long since gone. We replaced it with a custom wood door that our favorite carpenters made and painted it a vibrant blue to really set the mood for the house. The entryway had seen better days. The tiles on the stairs and plaster on the walls were crumbling and did not create a warm welcome. I chose this fun blue tile motif with some traditional Sicilian style tiles to set the tone for the rest of the house. So this is the top floor, water damage. Lots of cracking, plaster work. You can have a light at the medallion. The top floor was one big open space that we decided to divide into two separate rooms, the kitchen in the forefront and a beautiful bedroom looking out to the countryside and ancient church on the hill. All of the walls needed to be chiseled out to make room for electrical and plumbing lines. Then the dividing wall with pocket door was constructed. It's quite amazing how quickly walls go up and change the character of a space. The kitchen area is now quite comfortable, allowing for space for a full-size kitchen, dining table for 6, plus a washing machine and seating area. We also incorporated some fun Sicilian furniture and decor to complete the look. The back bedroom is also a good size, with room for a queen-size bed and large armoire, and it has a spacious ensuite bathroom, which looked like quite a mess when we first saw it, but our team made quick work of demolishing everything, removing the fixtures and taking down the tile walls. They repositioned the window opening to be higher on the wall because this space is where the walk-in shower will go. The toilet tank was set into the wall for a clean look. In our first house, I used a fun design with blue and green tiles, drawing your eye through the room and up the far wall. For Casa Madonna, I used the same design theme in each bathroom, but decided to use a bolder color palette to really make a fun and inviting statement. The other side of the bathroom had this open space that wasn't used for anything. It is the angled ceiling to the stairs that lead down to the lower floors. Our team cleared it out, reinforced the ceiling with rebar to prepare for the stairs, which will eventually lead to the rooftop terrace. Then they walled up the space to make way for a nice vanity and mirror for the bathroom. Be sure to click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our adventures in Sicily. Now let's move down to the middle floor. Again, it was another large open room. We thought about walling it up like the top floor, but if we did that, there would be no natural light in the back of the space. So we designed a wall divider with wood ladders that farmers use when they harvest their fruit trees. The result creates a wonderful divide in the bedroom and entertainment spaces and is a great place to showcase some of our fun design elements. Again, walls needed to be cleaned up and make way for electrical tubing, and the beautiful terrazzo tile floors needed to be cleaned up and leveled. We had so much fun decorating these two spaces. We put a pull-out sofa in the back area for additional sleeping options for our guests and framed some of our favorite photos from various places in Sicily, as well as this amazing map of Sicily that we found at an antique store. The bed frame, armoire, tables, and lamps all came from the States in a 40-foot container with many of our favorite treasures. The small room to the back of this space had a very, very small kitchen. We turned it into another bathroom with enough space for a walk-in shower and nice vanity. Now let's head down to the bottom floor. The walls in this space needed a good bit of work. As our team chipped away at the flaking walls, they discovered stone behind the plaster. Wow! This was an opportunity to create a nice design feature in an otherwise somewhat drab room. And with the help of some beautiful pieces of furniture we found on the marketplace and at antique stores, we were able to create a cozy atmosphere. They were pickling. Then there was the issue of making room for another bathroom on this floor. The original bathroom consisted of a space only large enough for a toilet. That wouldn't do. So we created additional space by walling up a section into the large room, allowing for a good-sized walk-in shower. We used the same colorful tile motif in the shower and vanity area to make them stand out. Okay, now let's get to the cherry on the top, the rooftop terrace. If you remember from our last video, there was no way to get up to the rooftop from inside the house. So we created a doorway from the kitchen and followed the angle roof to make our way up to the top. Then our team cut an opening in the roof. First time on the roof. We had never actually seen what the views would be like until they opened the roof, and wow, what an amazing view it was. 360 degrees of mountains, village, and castle. How fortunate we were to be able to create such an amazing space. Once they had the opening completed, they built wood frames to pour the stairs leading you up onto the rooftop. And our metal guys fabricated the door from scratch, using an electric gate opener to open and close it with a watertight seal. Our team put down another layer of tar paper to make the roof watertight. Then the surface was reinforced with extra rebar and cement to make way for a beautiful tile terrace. They brought a water line up to create a really nice and convenient sink area, perfect for entertaining. Finally, the custom railings were installed along with the pergola to protect from the sun on our warm Sicilian summer days. Kim and I made a large table and painted all of the metalwork ourselves. And what was once an unusable space has become the highlight of the home. Join us next time as I take you through the finished product, Casa Madonna, in a one-take video. We hope you'll join us.